Good morning, guys. Uh, I'm going to make a video presentation about when you to find the distance when we shift weights from one place to another. So, what will be the distance if we shift from let's say one tank to another, or from one hole to another. So, let's start, guys. So, it says here, finding the distance of shifting away to obtain desired graph. Meaning, if it's asking for the distance, if we want to shape a weight to obtain a desired graph. Okay, so this will be the problem, guys, of example 7.8. MB is floating at a draft forward of 9.47 and updraft of 9.63 meters. The weight is 220 and is initially 38.63 meters up of a midship. When we say up of a midship, it means this is your midship. It will be up here or backward. So he is about, say, this is the weight. He is about 38, how much? 38.63. So this distance here from a midship will be 38.83. 38.63. 38.63. From this point to this weight is 38.63. This is the LCG. Okay, that is what it meant. How far should it be shifted to make shift even keel? Let's say he's he has a trim of 16 centimeters, so it's trim. Meaning, the question was, he is trimmed by 16 centimeters. What will be the distance of this weight to shift forward so that the vessel will be even keel? Okay? If we put the weight here, maybe he will be trimmed by the head. But put here, will he be trimmed by the head? If we put here, weight, put it in the middle, would it be even keel? Or we just put it here, would it be even keel? So that's the question. And the question is, what will be the distance to make the vessel even keel? Okay, so let's proceed, guys. Number one, find the main drop. Main drop is forward drop plus up drop divided by 2. That will be your main drop. So forward is 9.47 and your up drop is 9.63. You add these two, divide by 2, and you will get a main drop of 9.55. To get the trim, 9.63, which is the drop up, minus your forward drop of 9.47, and you will have a trim of 0.16, trim by the stern. Okay, it will be trim by the stern. From the hydrostatic tables, take the MTC and LCF. Okay, when you say hydrostatic tables, it means the wind drop. So what will be the MTC and LCF with this wind drop? Okay, so this is Mbinara. So let's say take 9.55. This is Mbinara, and okay, let's check Mbinara. Mbinara. Mbinara there. Here. This is Mbinara. So it says drop is, how much is the drop? 9.55. So we put here 9.55. Let's say which one? Okay, this one. 9.55. 9.55. Its displacement will be, MTC will be 365.27. 365.27. Yeah, 365.28. Okay. And its LCF is 0.552. 0.552. LCF is 0.552. It says 52 here. Okay. Okay. So we'll just take this one. 52. Is that correct? 52? Yes, 52. It should be negative, meaning negative. LCF is negative, meaning it's on the forward part. Okay. LCF. LCF is negative 52. This should be negative 52. Okay. And number 3, find the change of trim. So you are trimmed by the stern of 16.16, and the problem says you want to have an even kill, meaning zero trim. So your change of trim will be, you deduct these two, and your change of trim will be 0.16. Okay, that will be 0.16. Trim by the stern, that will be negative because you are trimmed by the stern. Okay. 4. Find the distance of shifting, for shifting. The formula for distance is change of trim times MTC times 100 over weight. Okay. Now the change of trim is 16, which is this one, and MTC is 365.28, which is this one, times 100, according to the formula, over weight of 222. The weight is 222 metric tons. Okay. And the distance would be 26.57. Okay. 26.57. Why negative? Because your change of trim is negative. You are trimmed by the stern. That's why it's negative. And the weight to move forward is 26.57. Okay. So what does it mean? So 26.57. Okay. To move forward. This means if this is your weight from midship to up of a midship, which is 38 point, which is 38 point 38.63. Okay, which is up of a midship. So 38.63, for example, up from midship, this LCG will be 38.63. This one. And according to the problem, what will be his distance to move forward from this weight, from this position, to move forward so that he will, he will be even kill. So what is the distance? And the distance was, the distance was 26, 26.57. Okay? So it means from this point here, you move forward about 26 point, how much? 26.57. So from this point, you move the weight about 26.57. Let's say somewhere around here. Okay? From here to this point is 26.57. And the LCG from the weight from amidship is 38. From this one is 38.87. What's that? 38.87. 38.63. Okay? Meaning from amidship going to the weight, center of the weight is 38.63. And you shift the weight forward, going forward about 26.57, let's say around here, so that when he reaches at this point, he will be even keel. Okay? That is what the problem says. And since you have the distance, the weight must move about 26.57 forward. Okay? The new weight or the new LCG will be 38.63, which is this one, minus your distance to move forward of 26.57. The new weight LCG will be 12.06 of up of a midship. Okay? It means that if this is 38.86 and you move the weight forward about 26.57, that will be about here. The distance from this point to amidship will be 12.06. This is the new LCG, okay? Again, this will be your LCG of 38.63, and you move the weight forward about 26.57, which is about this point. So the remaining distance from this point to amidship will be 12.06. If you put the weight here, then the vessel will be even keel. Okay? That's what it means. Okay? So that will be the answer, guys. The new LCG of the new weight will be the new LCG of which new LCG will be 12.06 up of midship. When we say up of midship, meaning this year midship, it will be up backward about 12.06. Okay, so that is the answer to this query, these questions. I hope you understand what I'm saying. But if you have any questions, please make a comment on the comment section, and I will try to answer your questions or query. So let's move to the next figure. This one. Okay. Weight to shift is, this is finding amount of weight to shift is asking now the weight, not the distance. Shift to obtain desired drop from giving initial drop. Okay. So weight to ship equals change of trim times MTC times 100 over the distance it moved. Okay, this is the problem. When making loading plan for MB Max Panama, you obtain a draft forward of 12.93 and up of 13.29, meaning we are trimmed by the stern. To make your plan even keel, how much cargo are you going to ship from hold 7 to hold 1? Okay, so we are now going, he's asking for how much cargo, the weight, going to ship from hold 1 to hold 7 to hold 1. Okay, so this is Panamax. So we take out this one. This is Nara. We'll open, we'll open, we'll open the Panamax. Okay, this is Panamax. Open with Excel. And okay, let's go. We go to problem. While making a loading plan for MB Max Panama, you obtain a draft forward of 12.93. This is your forward draft, and updraft will be 13.29. To make your plan even keel, how much cargo are you going to ship from hold 7 to hold 1? So let's say if this is your hold 7, how much weight are going to shift to make the vessel even keel? It could be on this part, could be here, could be here, or it could be here. Just to make, when we shift this weight, it will be even keel. So it could be somewhere here, in the midship, or forward of a midship, or the middle of here. So this is from hold number 7 to hold number 1. This says hold number 1. Okay? Shift from hold number 7 to hold 1. So if this is your hold number 7, you shift it to hold number 1, what will be his weight so that the vessel will be even keel? So he's finding the weight, okay, to shift. So again, find the mean draft, meaning your forward draft of 19.93 plus your updraft of 13.29. You add this one and divide it by 2, then you will have a mean draft of 13.11. Okay, and your trim will be 0.36, which is trimmed by the stern. When it is positive, it is trimmed by the stern. Okay, so meaning your updraft of 13.29 minus your forward draft of 12.93, and your trim will be 0.36 meters, trimmed by the stern. Take the hydrostatic tables, take MTC and LCF. When you say hydrostatic tables, it means the mean drop of 13.11. So with this 13.11, what will be his MTC and LCF? Okay, so let's check, guys. 13.11. Okay, put here 13.11. What will be his MTC? MTC is 979.97. Okay, let's check. 979 MTC 13.11 980, but it says 9.79.9, so that is 980. Okay, so just put it to 980 to run it up, and LCF is 0.20. LCF 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 is 0.20. Okay, is on the up part. yes, upward. So LCF is 0.20. Now go to number 3. Find the distance that traveled by the ship dead weight, which is the distance of G between two holes. So the find the distance traveled. So your LCG of hole number 7 is 66.32, which is this one. Uh, from this one, from amidship going to hole number 7, which is this one, from amidship going to hole number 7 is 66.32. And LCG of hole number 1 is 86.96, which is from amidship to hole number 1. This is the LCG of hole number 1 will be 86.98. Why negative? Because negative is only a distinction that the hole number 1 is in the forward part of the vessel. So that is what it means when you say negative. When you say negative, LCG is the forward part of the vessel, or the forward from amidship. Okay, and this is positive on hole number 7 because he is up or backward of amidship. It is up of the amidship, means backward or up of the amidship. That's why it is positive. This is only a distinction. So what is the distance from hole number 7 to hole number 1? So this will be the distance, meaning if this is the LCG of number 1 and this will be the LCG of hole number 7, you add this to LCG, this will be your total distance from hole number 7 to hole number 1. Okay? So this is now. You add these two, then the total distance will be 153.3. Okay? That is what it means. Go to number 4. Change of trim. Because our initial trim is 36 and we want to make it, the final trim will be zero trim or even kill. So you minus this one and then you will have a change of trim of 0.36. Okay? That will be your change of trim. Find the weight to shift. So how to find the weight? The formula is weight equals change of trim, which is this one, times MTC, your MTC, times 100 over the distance, which is the distance of 153.3. Okay? So transpose weight. What is your weight equals change of trim? Your change of trim is 0.36 times your MTC of 980, which is this one, times 100 over distance of 153.3. And your weight will be 230.1 metric tons. This will be the weight. This will be the weight. This will be the weight of 230 tons. You take out 230 tons here and put it to hole number 1, and you will have an even kill or zero trim. So what it means, the weight should take out or shift the weight, take out 230 tons here, metric tons, 230 metric tons, and you shift it to number 1. And once you shift it to number 1, your vessel will be even kill. So he's only asking the weight. That is what it means to this problem. Okay. So it says answer 230.1 metric tons of cargo is shifted from hold number 7 to hold number 1. Okay. So that's it, guys. I hope you like this video. If you like, please click the like button, share, and subscribe. and do not forget to click the notification bell. Thanks for watching and have a good day.